How's everybody doing? Don't look at what I look like, but you're looking anyways. You look in the background, you see all kinds of colors. You look up in the sky, in my apartment, you see bricks on the wall, right? Everything with a story in it. You see a lot of stars, and if you take a look, let me see over here, right? See those spirals in there and that one connection between the two? There's a story in the art. There's a story in every single word. Numbers are not the same of each other, not because of the number difference that they are, because of the words, their spelling, their mathematics of their own in singularity, what and who we are as children of the Creator on day 6, what happened on day 7. I go over all these realities that we live with, the words that we live with, the possibilities that are there, the theories that are implicated because of the actualities, the possibilities. What is day 7? What happens in language on day 7? It's funny that in French, Saturday and Sunday connect together with the DI. They say Sam dimanche. The word for Sunday is dimanche. The word for Saturday is samedi. If you take away the D and the I, you have samanche. Samanche. It's the hand. The hands of the clock. How many hands of the clock there are. And it's funny that if you put an arm here, it's one at the top. It's an arm at the bottom. It's showing where the one hand can go all the way around. If I have 4 lines, do I have to use 4 lines? It's my work is implicated in games because I see the whole game. You can't win the whole game. You can't win when you win a game, you either beat the game or the opponents that are in the game. You don't get to have their avatars. You get to have your avatar. There's gold, there's silver, there's bronze. There's noted to be first, second, and third, which are not the same as anything else. That in runner-up, it runs all the way up to 20th. In numbers, when you say 20th or 20 is 2 plus 0 is 2, where 1 and 1 is 2 at 11, where 2 plus 0 is 11, where 2 is actually just 2. So when I say it's not the same, the string of numbers of 1 goes 1 to 10, and the string starts over. You go 2 till 20, and the string starts over. You go 4 till 40, and the string starts over, counting by 4s. 5 to 50, and the string starts over, counting by 5s. 7s at 70, 8 at 80, but 3, 6, and 9 are not the same. 9 repeats every second number. 3 and 6 repeat every fourth number. So what I want to go over right now is 111, 222, 333, 444, and I will not complete this entire setup. I'm going to work it with time. First, I'm going to work it with time equaling to the numbers. Here it goes. 111. 151, 5 and 1 is 6, 1 and 5 and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Becomes 161616. 71. 71 minutes is 1 hour and 11 minutes. So when we run it this way, it becomes 3, 7 and 5 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. All these come to 3. When you go to 3 hours 42 minutes, it's 3 hours 42 minutes becomes 222. Now we do everything with number 6 to understand it, and everything will equal to a 6. Then we do the number 3, 5 hours 33 minutes, 333 minutes. Now we work it all with the 6's over here, and everything over here will work out to 9 in this area over here. In this area here, everything works out to 9. In this area over here, right, everything works out to 7. Do you notice that this one over here, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and where 5, 3, 3 equals to 11, 5 and 6 equals to 11, 5, 1 and 5 equals to 11, 5, 4 and 2 equals to 11. They all equal to 11, what all adds up to 9. In this sequence over here, everything that adds up to 9 equals up to 14, and 5 equals to 6, 6, 14, and 1 is 15, everything equals to 6. In this one over here, where everything is 7, on this side, everything is 12, equaling to 3. And this one over here, that everything is 13 over here, where 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, or the time of 724 is 444 minutes. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So everything here is 3, and everything here is 4. 4 and 3, Earth and Mars, they are the invert to the cube, where 4 is inverted to 3, where there's 6 empty spaces, and there's 5 empty spaces. Remember that. It's equal to the numeric value in the sun. When we go to the last one, the gateway and the birth, which are also noted on your telephone to be a little bit different as well. The 7 has 4 letters, and so does the 9. In this one, it becomes 9 and 6 inside of this one, but on this side, it becomes 15. On this side, it becomes 12 is 3. So we can see, did we do that right? Did I get that right? 5 and 6, 11, and 4 is 15. 15, 12, 15. 15. Each side equals to 15, so we get 60. Sorry, did I get that right? Yes. 9, 10, 15. So we get 66 on each side here. We get 4 here and 3 here. We get 2 here and 9 here. We get 6 here and 9 here. We get 9 here and 6 here. Well, it's the same thing. We get 7 here and 3 here. So then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that the second level of this is here. So where we have 13, 14, and 15 is 6, to where we have 3. We have 3 and 6 here when we go into the second part of the day, to where we have 9 and 6 over here. Here we have 9, 13, 14, 15, 6. Here we have 3, 6. So we have 3, 6, and 9, 6 when we revert to the second 24 hours of the day. Now I'm keeping this in basic, and just to note that if we went in time of 111, 222, 333, 444, we stop at 555 because there is no 666. 666 jumps into the moon. And over here, right, I will have to go up to 999 in order to stop at 555. That's where your birth comes in. Your 555, the 5 and 9 are opposite of each other on the cubes when you have 2 cubes. Now what I want to do is everything works with 71. 71 minutes is 1 hour and 11. 71 minutes times 2, or 142 minutes, right? This is 71. This one over here is 142. 213. This one over here is 284. And then this one becomes 355. And we have everything with 71 minutes, or the Q gate. The reverse of that, like in 1771, what happened? Here is the silver matrix. Over here, house, planet, dividing of the 7th gate. Over here, we end up with Mars. Mars is number 51. Inside of Mars is 2, 3, and 4 equaling to 9. And the bookends are 5 and 1 equaling to 6. Or it's created from 33. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. There's more mathematics to go with this. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 equals to 8 equals to 7 equals to 15. 1 and 5 is 6. The G and the H is the 8th letter, the G is the 7th letter. You can use it in the word laugh, which sounds like an F. And when you add 15, 1 plus 5 equals to 6, and the 6th letter is F. The same thing with P is the 16th letter. 1 and 6 equals to 7, and the H equals to the 8th letter. It comes out to the same thing, and the both of them are F sound. The next level is when you add them up. 17 over 17, 7 over 7 is 14, 1 and 1 is 2. When you add another 17, it becomes 21 and 3, 33. And once you do that, you come into your mirror, okay? And that's 7 and 1, it becomes 41. And this is where it takes off in your mirror. It becomes your AD. You remember your A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, equals to 10. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So it mirrors the beginning of where we began at 1. But where we go is A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, equals to 6. The difference is 4 between these two. And when we count in numbers, 1 through 10, 2 through 20, 4 through 40, 5 through 50, 7 through 70, 8 through 80. They're all in a 10 cycle, 10 times 2, 10 times 4. But when we work with 3 and 6, it's only in a 4 cycle. Because when we get to the 4 cycle, 4 by 6 is 24, 4 by 3 is 12. This is our 4 cycle. This is the division between night and day, and it's all in a rotation of 3, 6, and 9, created from 33. And there's a whole lot more to come out. And to note, once we do this, right, this is 13, 1 and 3 is 4. This one is 14, 1 and 4 is 5. Well, we did the same thing up over here. So we understand that our dividing of everything is right here at 3.5. This is where the cube divides at 7. If you want to know where the alphabet divides on 26 letters, it's 13.5, and it says ace sun. And we know that if we divide the ace, we can also create one-sided triangle and a second-sided triangle, and that would show us where the one side of the wing is, or the other side of the wing is, the 12th letter and the 12th letter of the alphabet. To note that the bed we rest in, horizontal and vertical, to the person that we are standing, becomes the person we stand, to the bed that we rest. To the bed that we rest, right down here is where the water is. We put our feet in the water on the ground, we connect, and our head goes up into the sky for the I letter. Otherwise, our bed is sitting in the water and we're sleeping. Not much, right on top of the surface. But anyways, we're on the bed, and not much more to say right now, and I'm going to get back to the rest of this video later. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video. 11:51 is when I stopped that video. But remember this, 76 times 76 is 5776. Look up online, look up orphan roulette, and check out what it says. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.